Hello student, in the last lecture we discussed about preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbons. First we see Itard reaction by oxidation of methylarine using CrO3. Third we see by side chain chlorination of toluene, Gattermann-Koch formulation of arene, preparation of aromatic ketones from hydrocarbons, preparation of aldehydes only from esters, preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles and amides from acyl chloride and anhydrides. Next we see from esters. In this first type is acid hydrolysis of esters and second is alkaline hydrolysis of esters. Then we see preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene, then from alkenes, and last we see that is from Grignard reagent. Today we start new point, that is physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. In this first we see about nature of intermolecular forces. The carbonyl bond in aldehydes and ketones is a polar covalent bond. As a result, these compounds contain dipole-dipole forces of attraction. The molecules orient in such a way that to have oppositely polarized atoms facing each other. The carboxylic group of carboxylic acid contains OH bond, which is responsible for formation of hydrogen bonding. Thus, carboxylic acids have the strongest intermolecular forces of attraction. The next physical properties of aldehydes and ketones is boiling point. Aldehydes and ketones have higher boiling points than hydrocarbons but have lower boiling points than alcohols because they have no hydrogen attached to the oxygen. The acetaldehyde is extremely volatile, colorless liquid. Higher aldehydes have pleasant odor. The acetone is a liquid at room temperature and has pleasant odor, but most of the higher ketones have bland odors. The formaldehyde is a gas at room temperature and has irritating odor. The small aldehydes are reasonably soluble in water. Large aldehydes are less polar and dissolve more readily in non-polar organic solvent. The ketones also do not have hydrogen bonding but can make hydrogen bonds with water. The ketones which are freely soluble in water but soluble fails with chain length. Ketones are liquid with boiling points rising as the molecules get bigger. The van der Waals dispersion forces in ketones get stronger as the molecules get longer and have more electrons. We take a chart. In this chart, the boiling point of aldehydes and ketones are given. There are 5 columns. First is number of carbon atoms, second for aldehydes and boiling points, then ketones and its boiling point. The first carbon atom in aldehydes is methanol. The boiling point of methanol in degree Celsius is -21 and in Kelvin that is 252. Second carbon atom is ethanol. The boiling point in degree Celsius is 21 and in Kelvin that is 294. Third is propanol. The boiling point in degree Celsius is 46 and in Kelvin that is 319. Fourth is butanol. The boiling point in degree Celsius is 75 and in Kelvin that is 348. Fifth one is pentanol. The boiling point of pentanol in degree Celsius is 103 and in Kelvin that is 376 Kelvin. Last in aldehyde, that is hexanol. Boiling point in degree Celsius is 119 and Kelvin is 392 Kelvin. Then we see the ketones. First is propanone. The boiling point of propanone is in degree Celsius is 56 and in Kelvin is 329. Second is 2-butanone. Boiling point is 80 in degree Celsius and 353 in Kelvin. Third is 2-pentanone. Boiling point in degree Celsius is 102 and in Kelvin is 375. And last, that is 2-hexanone. Boiling point in degree Celsius is 127 and in Kelvin that is 400. According to this chart, the intermolecular bond strength, the hydrogen bond are greater than intermolecular bond strength than dipole attraction, which is greater than van der Waals forces. Hence, the boiling points of alcohols, which are greater than the boiling points of aldehydes or ketones, which are greater than boiling points of alkanes. Next physical properties of aldehydes and ketones is solubility. The oxygen atom of carbonyl carbon can involve in hydrogen bonding with water molecule. As a result of this, the lower aldehydes and ketones are water soluble. For example, acetaldehyde and acetone. As the molecular mass increases, the proportion of hydrocarbons part of the molecule increases, which cannot form hydrogen bond, and the water solubility decreases. The carbon chain increases in length, the solubility in water decreases. Solubility occurs at about 4 carbon atoms per oxygen atoms. All aldehydes and ketones are soluble in organic solvent. The aldehydes and ketones with 1 or 4 carbons are soluble in water. With 5 or more carbons are not very soluble in water. Form hydrogen bonds with water between the carbonyl oxygen and hydrogen atoms of water. We recall the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. In liquid, aldehydes and ketones, which are weak intermolecular attraction between the partial positive charge on the carbonyl carbon of one molecule and the partial negative charge on the carbonyl oxygen of another molecule. The aldehydes and ketones have lower boiling points than alcohols and carboxylic acid compounds in which there is hydrogen bonding between molecules. No hydrogen bonding is possible between the aldehydes or ketones molecule. The next point is the physical state, boiling point and solubilities of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid form dimer in which two molecules are held by two hydrogen bonds. Acidic hydrogen of one molecule form hydrogen bond with carbonyl oxygen of the other molecule. This doubles the size of the molecule, resulting in increased intermolecular van der Waals forces, which is turn result in higher boiling points. In the case of acetic acid, dimers exist even in the gas phase. The lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless liquid with irritating odors. The higher homologous are colorless, odorless, wax-like solids. Have low volatility. Boiling points of lower carboxylic acid are given in table. The first is formic acid, boiling point is 373 Kelvin. Second, acetic acid, boiling point is 391 Kelvin. Third is propanaic acid, boiling point is 414 Kelvin. Fourth is butyric acid, boiling point is 437 Kelvin. Last is valeric acid, boiling point is 460 Kelvin. The next point is the variation of boiling point with functional group. The lower aliphatic carboxylic acid containing up to 4 carbons are miscible with water due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonds between carboxylic acid molecule and solvent water molecule. The solubility of carboxylic acids in water decreases with increase in molecular mass. Higher carboxylic acids are practically insoluble in water due to the increased hydrophobic interaction of hydrocarbon part with water. Aromatic acids like benzoic acid are also practically insoluble in water at room temperature. Waters are insoluble. Carboxylic acid are soluble in less polar organic solvents like ether, alcohol, benzene, and so on. The relative strength of intermolecular forces. The hydrogen bond having greater strength of intermolecular force than dipole-dipole attraction, which is greater than van der Waals force. Hence, the boiling point of carboxylic acid, which are greater than boiling point of alcohols, which are greater than ketones, which is greater than aldehydes, and which is greater than ethers. Ethers are greater than alkanes. In this chart, the alkanes having molecular mass 58 and boiling point is 272 Kelvin. Ethers having molecular mass 60, boiling point is 281 Kelvin. Aldehydes having molecular mass 58, boiling point is 322 Kelvin. Ketones having molecular mass 58, boiling point is 329 Kelvin. Alcohol having molecular mass 60 and boiling point have 370, and carboxylic acid is molecular mass having 60 and boiling point is 391 Kelvin. In this chart, the molecular mass are increases from alkane to carboxylic acid. Also, the boiling point is increases from alkane to carboxylic acid. And last, the strength of intermolecular forces are increases from alkane to carboxylic acid.